Now we'll configure the discussion forum. Go to the Discuss tab in the menu, and here you will see the default discussion forums for which you can add new topics and comment on existing topics. To configure these for your organization or company, as a site manager, you'll have access to the discussion forums control panel. From here, we can click on the forums icon, and then we can edit the group, its name, and any of the forums that exist in the forum group. If we wish to add a new forum group, we click New Forum Group and complete the form. We can generally keep most of the existing defaults and then click Save. Now, again from our forums icon, our new group is created. We can now add a new forum to any of our groups. We can have as many forums as we want. First, select the group that the new forum will be added to, give it a name, and keep all the existing defaults. Once it's saved, we have multiple new options to configure. In most cases, the defaults will be acceptable. One thing you will want to note is based on how we've configured our security roles from the previous Getting Started topic, we can change the options of what different users can see and do within each forum in our forum group. So let's say we wanted this new forum to be only accessible by our partners. Well, the first thing we would want to do is disable access for all the other users in the system except for ourselves as site manager and our new partner role. So we are going to add the site manager to the list, and we'll also add a role to the list. Now we can configure their access. As a site manager, we want almost all permissions available to us. So we'll want to be able to read, create, reply, edit any items, remove objectionable posts, pin them to the top, be able to attach files to our posts. We want to be able to create polls, block, and we also want to be able to subscribe, announce, and depending on whether or not you want your discussion forum to be moderated, we would enable the moderation options. In our situation, we'll leave those blank. Now for the partners themselves, they have to be able to use the forum that we're setting up for them. So we can choose options that we want for the people in the partner's role to be able to use this forum. We want them to be able to read, create, and reply. We do not wish them to be able to delete posts or edit anything that they've already posted. And perhaps we want them to be able to attach files to the post and also subscribe. Subscribe means that any individual who's using a forum can check a box and automatically have emails sent to them when people reply to their posts, or if they've subscribed to the entire forum, they would receive an email anytime someone posts a new message to a forum. Once we have our security configured, again, we can leave the defaults for most of the other configuration options within a discussion forum, and we'll just simply save it now. And now the forum is ready to use for people in our partners role.